Okay, I am going to make a roast beef today. So I have put flour in my dish here, and I have sprinkled garlic, and I'm going to put some salt and pepper in this mixture. And I'm going to coat my round roast with the flour. This is going to help make the gravy for the roast beef. So I'm going to coat all sides with the flour, and then I'm going to fry it up in a frying pan on all sides with a little bit of oil in there. Okay, I have browned all sides of my eye round roast, and now I'm going to add some ingredients. I have 2 tablespoons of beef better than bouillon, and what this is, it's soft, so it dissolves faster. It's like regular bouillon. I try and do low sodium, and then I can add my own salt to my recipe. And with that, I'm going to add 2 cups of water. And I'm using a small crock pot today. This is only a 2.5 quart crock pot. This is an envelope of Lipton onion soup. And I'm going to put some Worcestershire sauce. I like a lot, so that was... Okay. And the dogs are participating, as you can see here, I should say. Okay, and then my father went and bought these big cans of cream and mushroom soup. I'm only going to use half. I'm going to put that in here and kind of just let that all meld together, and then I'm going to put it in the crock pot on low for 8 hours. So I had put everything in that small crock pot, and it's not going to work. It's way too much juice. So I'm putting everything into a bigger crock pot, and going to add an onion. I had not added a fresh onion to this. So I'm going to cut up an onion and add that to this mixture, and then I'm going to put it on for 8 hours on low. I do have a crock pot liner bag on this, so this way cleanup is a breeze. I can just throw it out when we're done. In my pressure cooker, I have my desired amount of potatoes, and 1/2 cup of water, and salt. I'm going to put my pressure cooker on for 6 minutes and do a quick release. My potatoes are done from the pressure cooker, and I am now mashing them. I have put in a couple of tablespoons of butter, or a tablespoon of butter. I did not drain. There was only a little bit of water left in the pan. I'm going to add a little bit of milk so that we can get it to come together. And once I finish mashing, I will serve up with my meat. My roast beef is done, and I am ready to take it out of the crock pot. And I know once I do this, it's just going to fall apart. So I'm going to try and grab from underneath. Doesn't that look delicious? Now we're going to plate that with our mashed potatoes. I will show you what it looks like when we plate it up. I want you to see how tender this is. I can't even slice it this way because it's just shredding. So I'm going to go with the grain of the beef, and we're just going to break it apart. This is how tender it is. It just falls apart. So yummy. I love it.